Welcome to all in our lecture series of PPCM. In our previous lecture, we have seen the events element of network. Now we have seen the activity element of network. In activity, we called as the performance of job or actual performance of a job. It requires time and resources for its completion. Means this part is the event, and like we have taken one example of wedding. So here wedding is started and this activity is done. So for doing these activities we needed time and resources all. Why? If we have to doing mehendi function, then we need a mehendi, and if we have to do Mahila Sangeet function, then we need a DJ and all. So these all activity requires a times and resources for the completion of activity. Okay, now following are the example of activity. Excavate trench is the activity, mix concrete is the activity, and prepare a budget is the activity. So there is a difference between the event and activity. Now activity have two system, AOA system and AON system. So AOA system is the activity on arrow network system. It is represented by arrow between events. Means if we have these events and we show activity from this arrow, so this is the AOA system. Okay, if we show activity on a node, means if this is the A activity and this is the B activity, that in this way if we write the activity, then this is not called the activity on node system. In activity of node system, events is not considered, event is not considered, but in activity on arrow, events is also shown. So in AOA system, activity on arrow network system, activity is represented by arrows between events, and in AON system, activity on node system, activities are represented by nodes, and in AON system, events have no place. Okay, events is not considered. Activities which can be performed simultaneously are called the parallel activities. Means if this is an event and we doing activity like this, so this activity A and activity B is the parallel activities or concurrent activities. Okay, and if we show activities like this, then this is the serial or series activities. Okay, activities or activities that can be performed after performance of other activity are known as the successor activities. Means if this is an event and this is activity A, again event is completed, then here activity B. So this activity B is the successor activity of A, or we say that activity A is the predecessor of activity B. Okay, so let's take one example of activity, event and total network. So as an example, consider the project of laying a foundation. The project consists of following well defined operations: excavation of foundation, laying side boards and concreting foundation. So these are the three things we have to shown in our network method. So first is the project is started. First is project started. After starting the project, excavation of foundation, this is the activity we have done. So after excavation of foundation is done, we start the laying of side boards. So after first activity, here we write activity at 2, foundation is excavated. Our first task is excavation of foundation. So for that we have to start project, we have doing excavation of foundation, and our event is completed, that is the foundation is excavated. After that we have to fix the sideboard. Now we have doing fixed sideboard, and if fixed sideboard is completed, that our second activity is completed. So we say that our second event is completed, that is the sideboard fix. Now third is the concrete foundation. This is our third activity. If our third activity is completed, we said as a event foundation is concreted. Okay, so these are the simple network. Now we have to break down this network in a two part, activity oriented network and event oriented network. In activity oriented network we have to shown only activities, and event oriented network we have to shown only event part. So let's see. In activity what we have to do, we have to do excavation of foundation, after that we have to do fixed site boards and concreting foundation. So here we shown only the activity part, so this part is known as the activity oriented network. But if we have to shown event part, so this event part we say that event oriented network. Okay, so these are the activity oriented network and event oriented network. In this way we have to design the simple network series of activity and events. So today lecture is over guys. Now we meet with another lecture. Thank you.